Welcome to Fitness 101, the essentials of exercise for the newbies and the challenged. Do you need a little motivation to get you off the couch, to get you moving and grooving? We could all use a little motivation. Well, this is Fitness 101, part 3 of my Optimal Wellness series, highlighting the importance of integrating proper exercise in your daily routine to protect your well-being and your vitality. If you run out of steam just thinking about exercise, then you need to watch part 1 and part 2 of this series first. Here, I highlight the importance of proper rest and proper diet. If you get your sleep and diet right first, you'll fuel your body from half tank to full tank and get the energy and drive you need to get your exercise routine on and done right. Some exercise is better than no exercise. Even if you're a newbie or among the challenged with knee or joint pain, there's a path for you too. Hi, I'm Philippa, the Vitality Guru, and I'm here to share my healthy lifestyle tips and hacks, hard fought and learned out of adversity, all designed to get you started on the path to better health, energy, and vitality. Check out my 30-day challenge designed to jumpstart weight loss, boost liver and kidney function, improve immunity, as well as boost energy and vitality, or your money back. See the link in the description below. Exercise has always been a big part of my regular routine, but this was challenged when my wheelchair became my mountain that seemed too big to climb. My knee was super painful as it was locked in scar tissue, making exercise pretty painful as it would not bend. You can check out my story in this video here. There will also be a link to it in the description below. If I conquered my mountain, I can most certainly help you conquer yours. Daily physical activity is critical to your health, well-being, and the resilience of your body. Who says fitness, aka exercise, applies only to jogging, running, or going to the gym? Other options include walking, dancing, riding, skating, skateboarding, even playing your favorite sports. And yes, even gardening are all great examples of physical activity. At least 30 minutes of exercise daily is recommended. Of course, more is better, but excess has its own challenges and should be avoided at all costs. Moderation is key to help keep you motivated. Here's a list of some of the great benefits of exercise. Improved blood flow, which nourishes the entire body, which combats fatigue and lethargy, aka tiredness. It boosts metabolism and supports weight loss. It improves mental clarity and focus. It improves cardiovascular health. It lifts your mood and outlook, and overall builds a stronger, more resilient body with improved stamina and endurance. See my description below for the list. These benefits are not just my personal opinion and experience. Both the CDC and Harvard Health have published their research on this subject. And I quote, "Being physically active can improve your brain health, help manage weight, reduce risk of disease, strengthen bones and muscles, and improve your ability to do everyday activities. The less you sit and the more you do moderate to vigorous physical activity, the better it is for you and your body." The basics for a proper exercise routine include the following. 1. A warm-up with a full body stretch to warm up the muscles and reduce injury. 2. Do cardio, toning, and or strength training exercises for 30 minutes. And 3. Practice winding down at the end of your routine for a cool down. It's super important to know your limits and push within those limits to avoid injury. So, if you're like me and need to modify a standard workout routine, here are my tips. If you have knee challenges or other joint challenges as I did, aquatic exercise in warm water are highly recommended as you work harder due to the resistance of the water. You are more buoyant, so you have less stress on the joint, so it is less painful, and you can work a greater range of motion when you exercise in the pool. Even just walking in the pool is challenging enough. 2. If walking is a challenge for you, you can do seated exercises in a chair. Chair yoga is very popular and is a very great starting point. These exercises are also great for surge recovery, strengthening, and rebuilding. A great tool that I use as part of my exercise toolkit is my yoga ball. Squatting and moving around can be very painful on the knees. With the yoga ball, you can bounce and do mini squats and work the knee with less pain as you're working a smaller range of motion for the knee. You can gently increase your range as you build strength. If you search yoga ball exercise programs, you can find one that you like and fits your pace.
So my question to you is, what are you waiting for? If you're still watching this video, I have your attention. Guess what? The more you do, the better you feel.
You just got to get started, and you grow with each step.
If you are new to exercise and you're not sure where to start, I'd say start simple. Make it convenient. Put on your favorite song and dance to them. Start with a 5-minute warm-up. Stretch those muscles first, then start with simple moves. There are lots of online resources you can use. YouTube is also a great resource for self-help routines. Get a motivational partner and challenge each other to stay engaged. It's always more fun with a partner. Protecting your well-being and vitality are my #1 priority. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you get notified when new videos are released. If you haven't watched the first 2 videos in this series, I recommend these next. Answers from the Vitality Guru.
Remember to check out my Vitality Challenge. See the link in the description below.